The company Buchachagrokhlibprom is one of the leading seed producers. The company sells the best products on the seed market and has a strong material and technical base in its possession. Today, the company leases 26,000 hectares of land in one area in 3 districts of Ternopil Region. Buchachagrokhlibprom grows grain, oil and industrial crops in this territory. Another area of activity of the company is livestock breeding. The number of cattle is more than 9,000, including 3,700 dairy cows. Milk yield per one cow, 10,050 kilograms. Calf crop per 100 cows, 85 animals. Daily gain of calves, 910 grams. 105 tons of extra class milk is sold daily. 90% of all extra class milk in the region. Plant growing. The company cultivates 26,000 hectares of land. Buchachagrokhlibprom grows grain, industrial, fodder crops. Elevator capacity, 95,000 tons of grain per year. Transport units with a capacity 4,000 tons per day. 90.9 million hryvnias of rent was accrued in 2020. Paid to unit holders, 73.2 million hryvnias. In total, in 2020, the company transferred to the budgets of all levels 179.8 million hryvnias. The number of employees in 2020, 920 people. The average monthly salary, 15,572 hryvnias. In 2020, the accrued salary amounted to 170 million hryvnias. In 2020, the investment indicator amounted to 324.9 million hryvnias. This year, Buchachagrokhlibprom is modernizing all 3 dairy and livestock complexes in the villages of Pilyava, Sokoliv, and Asivtsi, with an estimated cost of over 570 million hryvnias. In particular, it's building 2 modern milking parlors with equipment carousel, 4 new cowsheds for more than 2,000 dairy cows.